Hey everyone, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your router using 192.168.1.254. But before we start, you should know that this is a common default IP address used by many router brands like Telmex, BT, PlusNet, and AT&T. Now, let's start the video. Step 1. When you are trying to log into your router, make sure your device is connected to modem either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type 192.168.1.254 and press Enter. This action will take you to the login page. Now enter your username and password. Here is the list of default username and password for different routers. After entering username and password, click Login. Once you are logged in, you'll see the router admin dashboard. From here, you can change your Wi-Fi password, check connected devices, update firmware, and more. Troubleshooting tips. If you're unable to log in, try resetting the router by pressing the reset button on the back for about 10 seconds. After that, use the default login credentials to log in again. And also ensure that you've entered the correct IP address, which is 192.168.1.254. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.